Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Asmi Agnihotri and this is Craft Work. So last week I started a tutorial series for learning how to make silk thread jewelry, and today is the second part of it. So today I'm going to teach you how you can make two colored striped earrings. Let's go. But before going, make sure that you watch the video till the end because I have a little bonus video for you today. It's a trick of my own and I'm sharing it with you today. So make sure you watch till the end. So don't forget to watch the video till the end because I have a little bonus video for you today. Let's get to the materials. We will need two threads that look good together and make a good combo. I decided to go with the classic black and white combo. We will also need two big Jhumka base, some decorative chain, Jhumka base cap, golden balls, and these antiques and studs are for the bonus video, so keep watching. Now you can either watch with the bonus video or you can also simply use ear wires. Now that we have seen all our materials, let's go. Now you will first need to prepare your thread. If you don't know what it means or how it's done, make sure you see the first part of the series to know how it's done. Preparing the thread is very important, so don't miss it out. The thread I am using this time was wrapped around the board for 30 times each. Have both your red threads ready and let's get wrapping. We will start with the first thread. Paste it on the inside. Wrap tightly, put it inside the hole and pull it out. We are gonna repeat the same process again and again. The difference this time is that we just have to leave a little bit of space for the other thread. Make sure that you leave a smidge but not like 0.1 centimeter. Leave enough space for the other thread. Once you are done covering all the Jhumka base and leaving the space in between, paste the open thread on the inside on other thread, glue the end of the thread and cut. You can use this remaining thread if there is any for the other Jhumka base. Once you are done with the first thread, we will go to the second one. Paste it on the thread free zone on the inside. strap tightly on the spaces that we left for the other thread. Put it inside the hole, pull it out. Repeat the same process and cover the base as shown in the video. Paste the open thread, paste the end and cut. Don't waste the remaining thread if there is any. Use it for the other Jhumka base. Cover the second base and let's move on. Now let's give shine and sparkle to our Jhumka. Let's decorate it. Paste the Jhumka cap on top. Measure the chain on the bottom. Bend the chain. Cut to the length. Cut the bend so that you get 2 chain pieces to paste. Squeeze a line of glue at the bottom of the Jhumka and then paste the chain. Do the same with the other Jhumka. Now let's assemble the Jhumka. take a head pin, insert a golden ball, then the jhumka and then another ball. Bend the wire and before closing it, add in the ear wire or see the next bonus clipping to make your own antique stud like these ones. Add ear wire and studs and then close the wire. There you go, our earrings are ready. Okay, now it's time for the bonus video. So I'm going to show you how I make my own studs using antiques and studs that are available in the market easily. I mix resin and hardener that come in an epoxy resin kit, and then I paste it on the surface of the antique and then paste the stud over it. Why do I do this? Because in the market uniform studs are usually not available, and that really pisses me off because there are some different designs and every time I go, so I prefer to do this so that I can get the same type of stud every time. I hope you like the bonus video idea, and comment down your suggestions below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down your suggestions below. Also, click the red subscribe button and the bell button next to it so that you get notified every time I post a video, and subscribe and support.